Good morning, grade 4. Our lesson today will be a revision from Unit 5 and Unit 6. Next week, there will be a quiz. So please read this carefully to take the full mark. Let's start. What is the meaning of sponsored links? They are links to websites appear at the top of the page. They are called sponsored advertisements. Okay? So you can see it when you open YouTube, for example, and it's a small box that you can close it. Okay, this is our paid. What should we use to show that you don't want the search engine to show a specific part or specific information? We use something called minus. The minus sign, for example, if you search about receipts, but you don't want cheese receipts. So I will write minus like this and cheese, then cheese. Okay. So Google will not show you any receipt that contains cheese. Which word should we use to do a deep search? To do a deep search, what is the meaning of the deep search? We have said before, if we wanted to search inside a specific website, but from Google, we can write here, for example, the site name, for example, any other thing like Facebook, if you want to search inside Facebook, if you want to search inside Wikipedia, then space, then the name of the information that you want. For example, here, the website that we wanted to search, vegetarian.com, rice. So I will write site vegetarian.com, then rice, okay? What is the meaning of copyright? Copyright means the other people can't copy our work. They must ask our permission if they want to share our work. They must see who created the work and cannot make any money from using this work. So take care of the copyright when you copy information or both videos on YouTube, for example. Don't take from channel to another channel. It should be your video, not the other's video. What are the things that we reference for? Writing the web address where you found the work. Writing the name of the person who made the work you have used. Again, write the web address where you found the work. When you reference your work, you should tell me where did you get this work from. For example, I take this from a specific channel, this video from a specific channel. So I will write the channel name. For example, this work for your friend. So tell me that is from your friend. What is an algorithm? Algorithm is a set of rules, steps, or instructions. So why we use it? To tell the computer what to do. And they are very important. Why? Because it describes each step in the instructions carefully and clearly. Okay? For example, here, let us to see that. It's called a flow. All this called algorithm or a flow chart. Starting when you wear your clothes, you should put on underwear, then put on trousers, then put on tops, then put on socks, then put on shoes. These are the steps. So what is the meaning of binary numbers and why it's important? Binary numbers are 0 and 1. It's important because it represents all the numbers. We can represent 5 by 0 and 1 only. We can represent 6 by 0 and 1 only. So what is 0? What does 0 mean? 0 mean off and 1 0 on. Why we use it on computers? Because computers depend on using the electronic circuits. Maybe this electronic on or off. So it's 1 or 0. Okay. Who has used binary first? Wear the Bengala. Okay. Who has invented algorithms? He was Euclid. Who is the scientist that used algebra? He was Al-Khwarizmi. What has invented the machine that used the cogs to work out complicated calculations?